Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a Vietnamese style trout dish with a hot and sticky sauce. So back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take a heavy base saucepan, and to that we're going to add some golden caster sugar and then a splash of water. Going to give that a stir around, cook it for 1 to 2 minutes just until it starts to caramelize. Just keep moving it in the pan so that it doesn't burn. So now that our sauce is thick and caramelized, we're going to add some fish sauce or nam pla. Then we're going to add some sliced ginger and some sliced chili. Another splash of water. Again, give that a stir around, let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes just until all the flavours infuse in. As you can see, our sauce is starting to thicken, so now it's time to add our trout. So we just add our fillets of trout, skin side down. And on top of that there, we're going to add some sliced Bok Choi. Now folks, if you find any value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel. Pop the lid on. Let that cook for 4 to 5 minutes just until the Bok Choi is cooked and the trout is cooked through. As you can see, our sauce is thick, caramelized, our Bok Choi is cooked, and now we're going to add just a splash of lemon juice to counteract the sugar. Another 3 slices of some fresh ginger. And some more chili. So now our Vietnamese caramel trout dish is ready to serve. Now I've just served mine with some steamed basmati rice, and then on top of that there we're going to set the Bok Choi. And then of course our sweet and sticky caramel trout fillet. Then we put on a little drizzle of the sauce and some more of the ginger and chili. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you watching my further videos.